Happy fall! With the temperatures dropping, pumpkin spice is definitely back in season. And what better way to celebrate with than a personalized glitter tumbler? So today I'm going to show you a really easy method to make it using Aleene's Tack-It Over and Over. It's definitely the product that makes the magic happen with the glitter and makes it so easy. So besides that, you also are going to need a stainless steel tumbler. You're going to need some spray paint or primer that matches the color of glitter you select. You're going to need some epoxy, as well as popsicle sticks to mix, a brush, gloves, a tumbler spinner. You can purchase one or make your own. You're also going to need glitter. Make sure you select fine glitter, cups for mixing, a mask, and if you want to personalize your tumbler, an adhesive vinyl. All right, let's start making. Absolutely love how my glitter tumbler turned out. Pumpkin spice for life. I was gonna gift it, but I think I'm gonna keep it. It's definitely perfect for the season. And I love how easy Aleene's Tack It Over and Over made it to add the glitter. It left such a smooth finish, I wouldn't have even had to add epoxy if I didn't want to add my adhesive vinyl sticker. Lots of options for creating all year round. Make sure that you follow Aleene's to see more ideas for how to use Tack It Over and Over on your other projects, and for other great ways that you can create with their adhesives. Happy fall, y'all!